Oh, he got it, he got my frog. Got him. All right, came out of there and ate my frog. Look at that. I got a frog bass. Oh, and he's got it good too. Fatty. All right. Hey, Lake Millwood, everybody. Welcome into the swamp. Look at that. There's an old nasty floating kicking frog, and there's an old yellow dark looking moss colored bass right there. See you, buddy. Look at this. Look right here. This is the gnarliest looking, prettiest looking bass water you can ever hope to fish right here. Well, we've made it out onto Lake Millwood, as you can obviously see. And I will tell you right up front, let me give you the lay of the land here. You've got a big choice to make when you come to Millwood. You're either going to fish one of two completely different ways. You're either going to do what we're doing right now, which is run up the river, the little river, and it just snakes its way for miles and miles and miles, and it's got all these oxbows and little ditches and ponds and creeks running in, and all these cypress trees and big giant hardwoods and grass, lily pads, all kinds of vegetation. It's just got everything a bass could possibly want. You're going to fish that way, or you're going to run down the river, past the mouth, and out into the main lake, where you're going to be fishing either underwater, submerged creek channels, standing hardwoods, cypress trees, and much more open water, and some really cool grass beds. Now I'm going to throw this frog around a little bit more. Watch what it looks like. I'm just going to pitch it out there. Watch it coming through. See it coming through those lily pads right there? Man, there is nothing more heart-stopping than to throw that thing and drag it through those lily pads like that right there, and boom, one blows up on it.